them both first, see how that goes. He actually pushed over quite a few of these trees. Alright, I just heard one of them dang cicadas. I got one hiding in here somewhere. And they'll scare the crap out of you because they're so loud when they're this close. I heard them when I hopped in. I left my doors open. My buddy Joe the farmer had one in his new skid steer. He said it scared the tar out of him when it screeched out right next to his head. There's one trying to get in. Man, where are you? They're all over now, right outside. They're everywhere. As long as you don't screech, you can go in the barn and expire. How about that? Getting rid of the steel beams today. Another chess move. If you remember the first set I bought from Missouri, ironically, Cape. All right, today is March 17th, 2020, and me and Phil are on a road trip. So today's challenge is we've got these two galvanized 16-foot I-beams, which were much heavier than we expected.
Don't be a dick. Don't be a dick. Okay.
All right, hang on, I'm just documenting our little series here.
Yeah, it's just going to be a little too much.
So the gentleman that we were buying them from didn't have any equipment or anything, but he had a very small jack. So our plan is going to be to try and jack these things up high enough so that I can start backing the trailer. And then the big set, the 22 footers, me and Phil picked them from our, it was a 38-acre flip piece that we did. And we had to work to get them, but I got $400 for them, so that's money in the tank for the move for just some labor for us. So let's get these things moved, and I'll fill you in more on what's going on. So this is going to be a little different kind of flashback video, but you know, when you try to develop multiple income streams in that, and you're a land investor and that, these are the kind of the side projects that we do. So we're going to kind of go over this today, because I mean, I got $400 for these beams. I got 200 each. And then for the other set of beams, I think I got 300 for them. I cut them a deal on them. So, you know, here we pocketed $700, you know, from kind of looking ahead. Yeah, I paid for the other set, but these, Phil and I did some work to get these out of our last, well, it was before Project 291. It was a 38-acre investment property that we ended up flipping out of because we didn't like a few things about it. So anyways, that's today's story, you know. And then, you know, you look at the project videos, we do make some income from them. So in addition to fixing up the 38-acre property, we made some profit on that. You got these side gigs like this, you know, you make, you know, $400 on this, you know, we might make 50 or 100 on videos over time, depending on how popular they are. But it's just putting more chess pieces to try to develop more income streams along the way when you're buying property and when you have machines. So I hope you enjoy it. If you do, hit the like button if you found it entertaining, and stay tuned for some more. Thanks. Time for four-wheel drive. So what happened here, we're just keeping it real like we always do. His front four-wheel drive would not engage. So for the remaining galvanized I-beams, I could have held out to try to make some more, but I paid $250 for them and I sold them for $300. So yeah, just got our money back, maybe a little bit of fuel money, but we did go to Cape, but that's not very far from here. And on this one video, and now keep in mind, you know, these videos run in series, and that on the one video, just the road trip video, over its lifetime earned $15. We actually lost a subscriber, but whatever, that's part of the game. Now, if the video had gone viral or done much better, you know, we could have expanded that. So anyways, and we had fun. I mean, we made memories, you know, and I really look forward to working with Phil again when we move over to Missouri. He's only going to be 35 minutes from us. That's actually closer than we were here in Illinois. So it's, you know, looking ahead, we've got some excitement on the horizon. So let's finish out. Thanks.
Keep coming. Keep coming. All right, hold on a second.
Fish on. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. So in closing, yeah, I had planned on improving our ponds here in Illinois by building a bridge across the connectors, across the channel that I built to connect the two ponds together, but it didn't happen. But that's life. We're escaping from Illinois for a lot of very valid reasons, which you'll find out down the road. But definitely stay tuned. I'm moving to Missouri, new land, new projects, back with my buddy Felipe. Yeah, we're looking forward to it. It's going to be a lot, of stress and money, but hey, we'll take it one step at a time. You know, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. So thanks for joining us. We'll catch up with you hopefully on a future episode. Take care.
Flipping over on you. Can't help you much.